Attorney General Dana Nessel says their investigation would go a lot smoother if it weren't for a lack of participation by both MSU and the Catholic Diocese.
Full and complete cooperation of MSU, frankly, continues to be a challenge.
Attorney General Dana Nessel isn't holding back on her displeasure with what she calls a lack of cooperation by Michigan State University and the Catholic Diocese into allegations of abuse within both institutions. She says the state has requested and received documents related to former MSU trustee George Perles, but has not received any additional documents toward their investigation, and explains they have yet to meet with former interim president John Engler.
Now that interview is not yet scheduled, although we have spoken to John Engler's attorney numerous times in an effort to set it up. Our goal here is to help provide justice and also to provide a sense of security in that something like this will never and can never happen again.
Meanwhile, the Attorney General also mentioned delays in their investigation of abuse within the Catholic Church, saying simultaneous raids were executed on all 7 Michigan dioceses, in which they seized hundreds of thousands of pages of documents, but explains that the Church's desire to hold their own internal review process is slowing the state down.
Stop self-policing. Our office is conducting a thorough investigation, and it's important we be able to talk with any and all victims harmed by these egregious acts.
Nessel also says their investigative team has received more than 300 tips and is continuing to ask for the public's help in procuring more toward their investigation.
What we're doing is we're strongly urging victims, or anyone who knows of a victim, to contact the state's team of certified law enforcement investigators.
Nessel also asked the diocese to set up a fund for victims to be administered by the Attorney General's office so that they can give victims help for any trauma they experienced. Reporting in the newsroom, Jonathan Jackson, WNEM TV 5.